guys. Well, since I don't do a lot of videos, I thought I might do something small, like make sound effects for subscribers I have out there and for anyone actually. So to keep you busy, but I will upload some more videos whenever I can. It's hard to find time. So just to keep this channel alive, I thought I'd upload this one. So it's free for download, free to use, free for commercial use. Just put the credits in the description, and there you go. Have fun.